Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Today I'm going to take you on the ring road of Ashford in Kent. So what are we going to be looking for? Traffic lights. My first stop. Traffic lights, lots of lane changing, pedestrians, cyclists, you name it, we're bound to see it. So you'll get your yellow and red triangles and circles. And it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes, to be quite honest. Kids in the road. I will speak out the hazards as I see them. Now, Ashford Ringroad used to be one way, and you'd have 3 lanes going all the way around the town centre. And it was the dream for boy racers, you know, souped up little Ford Fiestas and Vauxhall Astras, and you name it. They were racing them. So anyway, here we go. It's now 2-way, so I'll have oncoming traffic as well as single traffic. So we got some temporary traffic lights up ahead. When red light shows, wait here. Hopefully I'll see all the hazards, but if I miss anything, drop me a comment. So we've got some highway maintenance vehicles on the left. I was going to say 5 minutes. This could be painful. It's a busy little town, Ashford. Yeah, when I moved here in 82, I don't live here anymore, but when I lived here in 82, car coming across. Oh, no, she's coming across. Give her some room. When I lived here in 82, it was just all one way. It was 3 lanes. And then I was a cab driver from 89 to 93, 95, something like that. And I actually encountered someone coming around one of the bends the wrong way, a tourist vehicle. But it's a lot easier now, being 2-way. The only hazards are the traffic lights and things like that. She waved at me. Little trophy for her. Indicating left, could stall. I wonder if my pet hate will come to the fore. People who don't indicate right or left. Traffic lights, pedestrians on the left. I want to go in the right hand lane because I want to go round, so I'll indicate into my lane and then glide down past these cars. Gosh, it's changed so much since I was here. Used to be a petrol garage there. We're now on a nostalgia trip. Lights are changing. I will still indicate just to make sure that everybody knows what I'm doing. It is a right-hand turn anyway, but we've got pedestrians over here and they need to know what we're doing. So we're now entering a shared zone. It's 20 miles an hour max, and this means it's shared with pedestrians, cyclists, cars. So technically they do have footpaths on either side there, but you could get a pedestrian just walking across. And the new highway code says we give way to pedestrians, doesn't it? Not that we never did before. New complex on the left, cinema complex. You can see I've not been here in a while. I might have to come and park the car up and walk in. Debenhams on the right, all closed now because they went bankrupt. But Debenhams are the reason that this was changed from a one-way system to a 2-way with shared zone. Traffic lights are all clear. They wanted to put their big store here, flagship store, and they said we'll only do it if you change the road system within 10 years. No more Debenhams. Ashford is stuck with this one-way system. Okay, up ahead is a very odd looking rusty roundabout centre thing. We want to go right there. Kind of a roundabout, but because it's a pedestrian shared zone, I wonder if it's classed as a roundabout. Not too many hazards, that was quite good. No pedestrians really. Just a lot of traffic lights and a lot of traffic calming measures. Always keeping your eyes peeled though, just in case anybody comes across, like that car. It's a 20 mile an hour zone. We'll be lucky if we get 5 miles an hour here. Stuck in traffic.
More moments later.
And off we go. I love those, what's it, SpongeBob SquarePants transitions. I shall use them forevermore. Cuts out all the long waiting bit. Some more traffic lights.
One eternity later.
It's all about patience on a drive like this. Oh, it used to be that I could go straight on. Now they've changed it. So we'll go up around the roundabout just to make it interesting, and then come back down and finish the roundabout. I want to go right at this roundabout, so I'll indicate into my lane. It's all clear. Oh, my pet hate people who don't indicate. Someone coming round. All those cars going off. 1, 2, 3, 4 didn't indicate. I'm coming off this roundabout, so past the last junction and then indicate off. Pedestrian with her back to me and with headphones. Can't hear the traffic. Back onto the ring road. Traffic lights are telling me left is green, right has just changed. Pedestrian at the lights. Back onto the ring road. How much fuel did that consume? Come on, council, sort yourselves out. Could have gone straight on there. Because I'm thinking the less, carbon monoxide I put into the air, the better. So if you make the roads just straight, then we won't have to go around the houses to get to the same place. So, I'm in my lane. You will always anticipate that the people are in their lane because they're going a particular direction. That right-hand lane is for right-hand turn only, but someone could decide they need this lane and indicate and cut through. But it's all clear. My lane is a green light. You have to know the road systems here as well. It looks like I'm shifting into the right-hand lane of a dual carriageway. However, and everybody in Ashford knows this, the left-hand lane leads to Henwood. So if you're in that lane and then you go across the roundabout, people will shake their fist at you. So we all come in this lane. So there you go. That's Ashford Ringroad. A lot of waiting and a lot of hanging about. Choose your times wisely, but keep your eyes peeled and everything will be okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now, and drive with care.